Make this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home your own before someone else does. Redone from top to bottom and will go fast. Home renovation done in 2005 to 2006, which makes this home look and feel much newer than its age. New AC installed less than 2 years ago. Brand new carpeting just installed and interior just painted. Light and bright kitchen with large breakfast bar open to living and dining areas with French doors to covered patio. Washer and dryer located inside under air. Great location on city water and sewer and convenient to all shops and dining just south of Palm Bay Road.